A very good a very good afternoon to class 7 student. Class 7 student, this one is the video for those students who all are not coming to school. So students, take care yourself and please whatever the videos are going to send by the teachers, please watch that video so that your studies are not going to be affected. Right? So now fourth we are in the fifth chapter, advanced features of Excel. So students, you need to note down the definitions of this chapter. The definitions are chart. The first one definition is chart. Graphical representation of data is known as charts. Graphical representation of data is known as chart. Embedded charts. When charts are on the same worksheet of the data, they are known as embedded charts. Goal seek. What is goal seek? Goal seek function allows the user to use the desired result of a formula to find the possible input value necessary to achieve that result. That one is called goal seek. It's an important definition, students. Goal seek function allows the user to use the desired result of a formula to find the input value necessary to achieve that result. So you have to note it down these definition. Data consolidation. Data consolidation is what? Merging of data from multiple worksheets is known as data consolidation. So what is data consolidation? Merging of data from multiple worksheet is known as data consolidation. So student, there are only 4 definitions which you need to note it down in your classwork copies. And student, please revise these definition, because not only note down is your work is also going to revise the definitions also. Because if you're not going to revise the definition, no need to write it down in your copies. So it's very necessary to learn and write it down in your copies. And students, one more information is there. You need to draw this diagram in your classwork copies. The heading of the diagram is advanced features of Excel. You have to make this diagram in your classwork copy, right? The diagram shows you chart divided into 4 parts. The 3 parts are common use chart types, creating a chart, components of a chart, and formatting a chart. In formatting a chart, there are 5 types: chart area, plot area, legend, data series, changing the scale of value axis. And then common use chart type, creating a chart, component of a chart. And the other sections are inserting illustration, using goal seek, grouping worksheet, consolidating data. So these are the points which are you have to draw in your classwork copies, right? So it's very necessary, students, you have to make this diagram in your classwork copy. Then after we'll go through the fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks are like this. The chart area. The chart area is the entire chart with all its elements. The chart area is the entire chart with all its elements. The y-axis is also known as vertical axis. In pie chart, data is displayed in circular format. Pie chart, all of you have seen, look like a circle. We divide the circle into different parts. That one is called the pie chart. The D, the worksheet are grouped. The sheet tab change to gray to white color, right? The E, the consolidate option is present in the data tab group under the data tool tab. So once again I am going to repeat the same one. The chart area is the entire chart with all its elements. So the chart area is the correct answer. Then the Y-axis is also known as vertical axis. Students, very important. Y-axis is also known as vertical axis. And then C. In pie chart, data is displayed in circular format. D. When worksheet are grouped, the sheet tab changes to gray to white color. And the E. The consolidate option is present in the data tab group under the data tool tab. Right, the last one. The legend is a box that identify the pattern of color are assigned to the data series or categories in a chart. So these are the fill in the blanks which you need to note it down in your classwork copies. And students, I tell you once again that chapter number 3 and 4 are coming in your exam. So please revise the chapter 3 and 4, right? We already done. This one is the 5th chapter, right? 3 and 4 we already done. So all of you have to do the whole question and answers. Then moving forward to do the true and false. State whether it's true or false. The statements are true or false, you have to write. So the first one, the x-axis is the vertical axis. False, that one is not vertical, it's a horizontal axis. We can make 3D chart in Excel. Yes, it's true. Scatter charts are also known as XY chart. Absolutely correct. They are called scatter chart. The position of lesion cannot be changed. Absolutely correct. The position of the lesion cannot be changed. We can format the axis to change the interval of the y-axis. Absolutely correct. We can change the format. We can format the axis to change the intervals as per our convenient. Then the last one, the illustration group is present on the insert tab. True. The illustration group is present on the insert tab. Absolutely correct. So these are the true and false, and we already done the definitions, fill in the blanks, and true false, which you need to note it down in your classwork copies, as well as the diagram. The diagram is this, which you need to draw in your classwork copies. Fine. So now moving forward to do the MCQs. So student, the MCQs are like this. Multiple choice questions. Only 5 questions are there in MCQs. The characteristic of an Excel chart are, there are 4 options. Chart can be 2D or 3D. Is the full form of dimension. The chart can be 2D or 3D. And the second option is charts can be colorful. The third option, chart pick up data from the row and column from the worksheet. And the last one is all of the above. So student, the correct answer is chart can be 2D or 3D. The first one. Then the second one, the charts in circular shape are, the charts in circular shape are what? Bar and columns? No. Pie and bar? No. Pie and donut. Pie and donut is the correct answer. Both are in a circular shape. And the third one, the element of the chart that can be format are, the elements of the chart that can be format are lesion, plot area, chart area. All of the above, we can format all the elements of the chart. Then the D1. The option in the illustration group are which one? Clip art, picture, screenshot, or clip art, chart, picture, clip art, picture, goal seek, or clip art, goal seek, group sheet. So the option is clip art, chart, picture is the correct option, the second one. The answer of D is second one. Then the E part. The fill option of the chart area provides with The fill option of the chart area provides with solid fill, pattern fill, gradient fill, or all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. So students, we have done so much questions. You need to note down all the three questions as well as the definition and the diagram in this chapter. Then after we'll go for the matchups. The matchups are here. The first one, data label. So the answer is, data label answer is what? Value of data. And the x-axis is what? Category axis. X-axis is also called category axis. Plot area. Plot area is inside the boundary of the axis. Y-axis. Y-axis is value axis. Chart title. Chart title is what? Name given to the chart is called chart title. Chart area. What is chart area? Name given to the chart is called chart area. So student, these are the exercises which you need to do in your classwork copies. So it's very necessary. Now the exam are near. So students, I think all of you have to present whenever the exam is going on, because I think so. Whatever the things are going to be changed, definitely will inform to you through WhatsApp or through notice, whatever the things are going to be sent you. So students, you need to do one thing is that you can you do your studies, whatever you are going to do. Don't stop your studies. Whatever the time is there, you have to do your studies, because I know that in this corona time period only students are going to suffer, no one else. So you have to do work hard. You have to learn all the things, whatever the things are going to be left from your side. So do your work hard. If you want any information, if you have any problem, please call to subject teacher. Whosoever is the subject teacher, you can call them. And if you want a clarification regarding anything, please, you are most welcome. Students, I'm your computer teacher, so I'm telling you, please students, if anybody having any doubt regarding computer subject in any chapter, I'm not talking about the same chapter the chapter is going on, I'm talking about the whole syllabus, whatever we have done in this time period. So if you have any doubt, please call me. Please call me so that I give you the clarification regarding the things, clarification regarding whatever the things you would not be able to understand. Because without knowing this, it's not possible. Because how would we know that the students having a problem regarding their studies? Only at that particular time period, whenever you are going to call, we know that you are facing a problem. Definitely you are facing a problem, I know that. But only at that particular time period, whenever we get a call, definitely we'll call back to you, or we'll give you a call and give you the clarification regarding each and every subject. It's our duty to clarify you the doubts. So students, please do these exercises in your notebook. These are the MCQs. The meaning of characteristic means विशेषताएं. Of an Excel chart are, charts can be 2D or 3D हो सकते हैं. 2D मतलब D is the initial of dimension, and the chart is circular shape. जो circular shape में chart होता है, that one is called pie chart. And donut आप लोगों ने देखा है. I think some of the students have eaten the donut. Donut is look like a circle. The element of the chart that can be formatted are chart area, right? The fourth one, the option in the illustration group are, the options in the illustration is, the meaning of illustration is example. The option of the illustration group are clip art, chart, picture, right? Then the last one, the fill option of the chart area provide with all of the above: solid fill, pattern fill, gradient fill. So these are the exercises, and I'm sending you the exercise in your through picture in your class group. So please note it down in your classwork copies. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.